What if everything we thought about everything bagels is completely wrong? Because you know what? Everything is not on this bagel. It's not even close to everything. There's maybe 7 things on this bagel. There are so many more spices that we could put on a bagel. You want to make an everything bagel?
Yeah.
All right, let's put everything on a bagel. This right here, this, not good enough. Here we have literally every spice from our spice cupboard, over 56 varieties, and we're gonna put all of them on an everything bagel. A new and improved everything bagel, which we are then going to taste. First of all though, we gotta make the bagel, so let's go. We're just gonna use a really simple 3-ingredient recipe for this bagel, starting with some flour. I'm using self-rising flour so it doesn't require any other ingredients to leaven, and then we're gonna add some yogurt. This is just a plain Greek style yogurt.
So what's your favorite flavor of bagel?
I like plain ones.
That's so boring.
Says the person who's about to put everything that they can on a bagel.
I got bored one day and I put everything on a bagel. Everything.
All right, we got some dough. We're gonna knead it and shape it.
Spices are getting excited.
Ah. It's time. All right, so the question is, where do I start?
With the allspice. That way we're pretty much done already.
That's true. It is every spice, apparently.
Oh.
Oops. Well, a little generous on that one. It's fine. So here's an important question. Why isn't this on an everything bagel? It's got 21 spices. That's 3 times as many spices as everything bagels have. What's going on there? This is your moment, baby. Time to shine.
I didn't know we were an ASMR channel.
Exotic.
Oh my god. You need to calm down with those spices, Missy.
Are you kidding? We've been too calm. This is why everything bagels are only 7 spices. We need to amp it up. Ooh. Little fall essence. Hello? Is it paprika you're looking for? I'll go light here. Just a little kiss of cayenne. There are things here I've never even used before.
Okay, I just want to take a moment to say that we're only a quarter of the way through this. And that's what our bagel looks like.
It's gonna have a lot of flavor, what can I say? A little tandoori, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Oops. Actual thyme.
Oh my...
That one was eager. Maybe we'll just... There we go. It's fine. It's fine. Hey, look, it's your old pal Ginger.
Not the ginger. Anything but the ginger.
We'll just give it a light sprinkle. There you go.
We're about halfway there.
And we are definitely living on a prayer.
Take my hand. We'll make it, I swear.
Fenugreek. Okay, cumin is one of my favorite spices. Comment below what your favorite spice is, because honestly, cumin, best. It smells really crazy in here.
It's like going to a restaurant, but they serve every cuisine.
Just gonna press that on there, make sure it's very infused. I love me some tahini. I don't know about in this context, but amazing on watermelon. Let's find out. Time for a new cinnamon challenge, 2023. Get it on this bagel. Okay, we're getting to the last of it. Little organic vanilla powder. Can't have a recipe without Salt Bee, even though I'm sure Salt Bee does not want to be a part of this. Pepper Bee. Gotta have everything but the bagel seasoning. It just wouldn't be right without it. Okay, now for something extra fancy to elevate this experience. A little bit of saffron. You can't have every single spice in the spice cupboard without a bay leaf.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
What if this actually turns out to be the best bagel?
Then we're just gonna have to mass market it. Copyrighted. Right now. Are we ready to bake?
We're ready.
Okay. Let's do it. Okay, wow. So here it is. The everything bagel.
Wow.
Wow.
You know, it looks better than I expected. I thought that was gonna burn.
Yeah, it did not catch on fire.
It didn't. And it smells really crazy. But now we gotta taste it. Are you ready?
No, but we're going for it anyway.
That's right.
You ever want to clear up your sinuses? Wow.
Wow.
Okay. This is gonna be delicious.
That's right. Amazing.
You know what? This is actually really good.
Are you kidding me?
It's my everything.
I cannot tell if you're telling a lie right now.
No, it's awful. It's not good at all. It is very salty. I mean, it tastes like everything.
Everything.
Well, we got some cream cheese.
All right, give that a try.
A little dab will do ya. Definitely better with the cream cheese,
Woo!
but it's still a little too much. Surprisingly, it kind of does have a similar vibe to an everything bagel.
Wow.
Okay, you need to come over here and give
Alright.
this.
You give me a little taste?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Ooh, that is different. Fenugreek, which is
Yeah, that's the bitterness.
Oof.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
a lot of salt. A little sesame. That's kind of nice. Oh, and there's a spice. It's the cayenne.
Ah, yes, the cayenne.
Okay, but it's not the most unpleasant experience.
No.
Strangely, if you got just the right proportions, you could almost make this work.
Mm-hmm. You know what? I'm putting this on the internet. This was great. The world needs to know about my recipe.
Let's put
Wait.
it on the Food Network.
Share it with the world. That's what we do when recipes don't turn out. We share them for others to experience.
Mm-hmm.
Let us know what you thought. And thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys. Not good enough.